Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we'll do an unboxing and I'm very excited right now. So this just came from the mail and let's open it together. So this is the right side. It's actually a huge box. The item is not as big as this one. I haven't seen this in person. My SA showed this to me in a different color. And I told myself that the next time I would buy a mini purse that would be in color. So I asked her if they have a different color and she searched for one. She told me that there's only 4 within Lehman Market. In all of the states, there's only 4 of this. And they found this purse in a different state and she ordered it for me before anyone else will find it. So this is what it looks like. The box is really huge. So let's take off the box. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited and it's just overwhelming right now. So let's just open this together. I didn't plan to buy anything, but it's my birthday month, so I just made a haul and I thought that's it. But when I saw this, I have to justify that it's my birthday and I deserve it. So I got it and oh my god, it's just and this is I think the stuff that Chanel sent it with the purse, and it was really packed well. And this is the purse. I am just so thrilled. Okay guys, we're opening it together. And this is the purse. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I just have to smell it. The leather feels luxurious, it smells delicious, and it's a Reissue mini, and I've learned that this one is in a single flap. So I love that it doesn't have another flap in here. And this is what it looks like, the barcode. So that's what the price is, and there's a pocket in here, and then there's a huge space inside. Oh my. The gold, I am surprised that it is in shiny gold, but in person it doesn't really look, it just tolerable because I don't like it very shiny, but for some reason I love it. So this is what it looks like on. The leather is so soft that you can just, like, it just feels squishy. It's squishy and soft. So this is a true classic in my opinion. Reissues are like just a classic. I own a 226 in black ruthenium hardware and I sold it because if I put a lot of stuff inside, this kind of like pull it down and it feels heavy on my shoulder and I'm not really reaching for it. So no matter how beautiful the purse is, if I'm not reaching for it, it just has to go for me. Like, I don't keep purses if I'm not using it. So this is what it looks like up close. It's in calfskin leather. I'm really inching to get a black or a dark blue, which is in navy, because it's also available in those colors. It is also in beige and green color, but I think the red is just beautiful. Like, I have a raspberry purse in Louis Louis Vuitton, but nothing in red yet. I don't have any red purses because I don't usually cling to color bags, but this is just special. So it has 4 grommets that you can use it as double on your shoulder like this, or if you handheld it, look like this. But mostly I'll wear this crossbody like this. Let me compare this with my Chanel mini so you'll know the length of this mini reissue. So this is my Chanel mini, and let's see how it is together. I think the Chanel mini is a little bit longer than the mini reissue. And we'll do it here at the side. So Chanel mini only has 2 grommets, which we cannot use as doubled unless we'll have to tuck this in. So this is it. If you want it shorter, and then this mini reissue, you can shorten it and put it here, the side of your shoulder. So that's it, comparing if you'll put it at the side of your arm, and then put it together, it looks like this. And then let's compare them side by side. So I have the rectangular mini, and you'll see them. I think the rectangular mini is a little bit longer, but this is wider. Here at the side, see, it's a little bit wider. And then I'll do a comparison on what will it fit on both the next time, and we're gonna find out how much will it fit on this compared with the rectangular mini. So it's beautiful. The leather is so soft and squishy, and it's in calfskin. Just sit around it. Just so pretty, and this is so rich. So what do you think, guys? So this is my new reissue mini in calfskin leather and shiny gold hardware. And yeah, let me know what are your thoughts on this particular purse. And may all of you have a wonderful day. And thank you again for watching. Bye. Love you all.